Benefits of homemade protein powder: 100% natural and sugar-free, no chemicals or hidden sugars. Weight loss friendly, keeps you full and reduces cravings. Rich in calcium, makhana strengthens your bones, boosts brain health, almonds improve memory and focus. Easy to digest, fennel seeds, saunf prevent bloating. Energy booster, perfect for a healthy start to your day. Every day, many people wake up feeling tired, weak, and low on energy. Even after eating food, the body still feels empty from inside. That was the same problem I was facing too. Then I decided to stop depending on sugar and market protein powders. I wanted something natural, something homemade. So I created this powerful blend using almonds makhana, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, peanuts, and dry dates. Each ingredient was carefully dry roasted and slowly blended to keep the nutrition alive. No sugar, no chemicals, just pure strength. At night, I take a small glass of warm milk, add 2 spoons of this powder, and finish it with a pinch of nutmeg. And the result? Better sleep, better digestion, more strength, and waking up feeling light, active, and energized. This is not just a drink. This is daily nourishment for your body. If you want natural strength, healthy weight, and real energy, this one glass can change your routine. I took 2 cups of poppy seeds, 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of white dry dates powder, and 1 cup of makhana. I also added 2 full spoons of peanuts. First, I dry roasted the peanuts. Then I dry roasted the sesame seeds. After that, I dry roasted the almonds as well. At the end, I lightly heated the dates powder on low flame, just to warm it, not to melt it. Once everything cooled down, I first ground the peanuts and almonds together into a powder and kept it aside. Then I added the sesame seeds and dates powder and ground them nicely, and kept that aside too. After that, I mixed both the powders together. I blended all 4 ingredients again in intervals, stopping in between to get a slightly coarse texture. And this way, my sugar-free, weight loss friendly, and protein-rich homemade powder is ready. Benefits of makhana almond protein powder: rich in plant-based protein. It's a great source of natural protein that helps in muscle repair and keeps you strong. Excellent for weight loss recipe. This is not a market protein. It's a homemade power drink for real strength. This homemade powder is completely sugar-free and made with natural ingredients, which makes it perfect for daily use. Almonds are rich in protein and healthy fats that help build muscle strength and keep you energetic throughout the day. Makhana supports digestion and helps in weight loss while providing long-lasting energy. Poppy seeds and sesame seeds are packed with calcium, iron, and magnesium, which strengthen bones and improve overall stamina. Dry dates are a natural source of iron and fiber, helping to boost hemoglobin levels and fight weakness and fatigue. When you drink this powder regularly, it gives your body natural strength, improves energy levels, and keeps you active without causing sugar spikes. It supports muscle recovery, keeps you full for a longer time, and helps maintain a healthy weight. This is a perfect natural protein powder for people who want strength, fitness, and energy in a healthy way. To consume this powder, take a small glass of warm milk. Add 2 spoons of this homemade protein powder and mix it well. On top of that, grate a small pinch of nutmeg and add it to the milk. Nutmeg helps improve digestion and has calming properties that relax the body. It also supports better sleep and helps reduce stress and fatigue. Drinking this at night gives deep nourishment to the body, boosts strength, and helps muscles recover while you rest. This healthy drink keeps you energized, strong, and active in a natural way. If you found this healthy recipe helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more healthy and easy recipes.